everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So yesterday I had unboxed two products from Pilgrim India. One was the Pilgrim red wine under eye cream and other was a general day cream of Pilgrim red wine. Today I had actually ordered 4 products from Pilgrim India. So the previous 2 had arrived yesterday and 2 more products have been delivered to me today, and these are the Pilgrim red wine serum and the Pilgrim red wine night gel cream. So these are the 2 products that have been delivered. Actually I have ordered around 10 to 15 more products from different brands, beauty products from different brands. I don't know why, but yeah, I'll unbox it and record the video and share it with you guys. Why do you want to peek into the video, please? Okay. Yeah, so this is let's open it. Actually it came in a box and all, but I'll show you the a bit inner covering. So this is the red wine face serum. Let's open it. I'll also show you the present brand that I'm using some fine day, definitely. This is the serum. It is 30 ml of serum. The price is 600 rupees, expensive, but I have been using. So if you see, I'll use the products and I'll again record a video when I start using it. I have my older brand products still left. So this is the serum, and I think its thickness is fine enough to be applied. Yeah, so this is okay. The other thing is the Pilgrim red wine night gel cream with retinol, mulberry and vitamin C. Okay, not C, C.
Dad jokes.
Anyways, let's get back to unboxing. So this is the cream. I'll open it. Same smell, same texture. I don't know, because I haven't used the creams yet, if they are putting the same cream and just packing it differently. Not very sure. Anyways, I have ordered or paid for it, so I'll use it. So this is the cream. Smell is nice. The last 3 products also had the same smell. The serum smell, I did not smell the serum, if it also has the same smell. No, it has a different smell. The serum has a different smell, though it is of red wine. My brother, I don't know why is he interested into all of these beauty products. Okay, so meanwhile he smells it. That's it for this video, and when I receive more products, I'll definitely unbox it and share the video with you guys. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, take care. Please do subscribe the channel, share it with your friends and family
and
members.
Please wear our customized t-shirts.
I don't know why he says this. We do not have any customized t-shirts, and moreover, if you want to reach out to me, you can also reach out to me on Instagram and Twitter as well.
Link in the description box for our customized t-shirts.
No, you can reach out to me on Instagram and Twitter. Okay, that's it for the day. Bye bye, take care.
Au revoir, merci.